Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw yesterday market correcting again in the US, and also the same thing is getting reflected in the Asian market as well. US is seeing decline post sharp up move on Friday on account of expectations building up for the rate cut. But on Friday, yesterday, there was a news that Fed, the president may be removing one of the Fed member, and that has created some nervousness in the US market, and that got corrected. Same got getting reflected on on Asian market as well. So most of the markets are down by around 0.5 to 1%. Uh, Trump has further issued one draft regulations for increase in tariff on India from 25 to 50%, which will be applicable from today. So draft regulation has already come out. So more of a certainty that this 50% duty is coming. Also, Trump has said that he will be imposing 200% duty on China if they don't supply rare earth for the magnet uh, to the US. So multiple technique, pressure technique continue from the US, and that is creating volatility and confusion in the international market. Commodities are more of a mixed bag, wherein aluminum flat copper is up by around 0.5%, oil is also up by around $1, whereas iron ore and steel are more of a flattish. So we will be getting some reflection of the Asian market and also the 50% duty which is getting implemented from today, and the market may see some corrections in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a slightly negative note, and we might witness some sideways momentum during the day. Yesterday, it was a very flat trading sessions after a gap of opening, but somehow Nifty manages to sustain the support levels of 24,900 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief side. Going ahead, if it's break that level, then further support has been downside shifted towards to 24,840 will be the immediate support level. Any more below that level, we'll see the profit booking, which might take a nifty towards 24,770 level. So on the higher side, 25,040 will act as a crucial resistance level provided by its 50 DMA also. So as long as it doesn't maintain a positive closing above the same level, the view will remain a cautious to sideways itself. Coming towards the bank nifty, for today intraday purpose, the first support is placed at around 55,000 psychological mark. Below that level, we might witness some sort of a more profit bookings, which might take a bank nifty towards 54,770. On the high side, 55,300 will be the initial resistance levels. Any more about that level, we expect a positive momentum to be carried forward towards 55,500 to 55,740 levels. So as of now, try to concentrate more into the stock specific trading because the market will witness some volatile trading sessions. That's it from my end. I request Derivative team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are seeing that Nifty is continuously freezing resistance near 25,000 to 25,200 range. As per today's session, also we are seeing that Gift Nifty is likely to open 80 90 points on the negative front, due to which again there might be consolidation phase in the market between the range of 24,800 to 25,000 mark. Till the time this range is not getting broken out, till that point of time, Nifty is likely to consolidate in the range of 200 to 250 points while coming days of trading session, while we are seeing that the monthly expiry is also approaching near. So currently, if in today's session or in next 1 to 2 days of trading session, if Nifty manages to hold 24,800 level, then again the buying will approach. But if 24,800 level gets broken out, then again Nifty will shift down towards the 24,400 to 24,500 level. So as per the current scenario, we should wait for any new long positions. Once if in today's trading session, if Nifty is holding 24,800 level, then reversal trade can be initiated. Till that point of time, we should wait for any new long positions. While on the stock specific and sectoral specific front, a counter that looks positive today's session will be Dalmia Bharat, Delivery, and Nika looks positive. On the negative front, CDSL, SBI card, and CSC looks negative. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. On the news front, Protein e-governance has received around 1100 crore order from UIDA to establish and run Aadhaar Seva Kendras from across 188 districts. So these centers will provide enrollment updates and other Aadhaar-related services. So earlier, if you recollect, the company had missed winning a 1400 crore PAN 2 project, which has seen a significant correction in the company's stock price. So now this Aadhaar order win is a positive development for the company. Secondly, Ministry of Telecom has stated that they will not be providing any further AGR relief to Vodafone Idea. company faces significant liabilities, and as per Supreme Court mandate, Vodafone will have to start making payments from next year. So the government already has recently converted a lot of their debt into equity. So overall, this news is negative for Vodafone Idea. On the IPO front, today a couple of IPOs are getting listed. Two of them are Patel Retail and Shriji Shipping. So we had given neutral rating to both these IPOs. Patel Retail, which runs a supermarket chain in Tier 3 cities and in suburban areas like Thane and Raigad. It was a 243 crore issue. So this space is highly competitive and fragmented, with large players like DMart having strong foothold and smaller Kirana players having regional dominance. And thus, we had given a neutral rating to this IPO because PRL brand recall is limited and needs to build it with aggressive investments in this competitive space. Another one was Shriji Shipping, which was a 411 crore issue. The company mainly operates on dry bulk cargo with a focus on non-major ports and jetties, especially in the west coast of India and Sri Lanka. So, the Shriji Shipping has a prominent foothold in its area of operations. However, the tariff uncertainty, geopolitical tensions continue to weigh heavily on this company as well as on the industry. And also the issue was priced at 21 times FY25 earnings, and thus we had given a neutral rating to this issue. That's it from me. Thank you.
Good morning. One IPO will be opening today. The name of the company is Vikran Engineering Limited. IPO price band is rupees 92 to 97 per share. Uh, IPO issue size is 772 crores and market cap post issue will be 2502 crore. Vikran Engineering is fast growing EPC company with operations in power, water and railways. It has executed 44 projects. The company reported 32% revenue CAGR and margin improvement, supported by an experienced promoters. However, risks include dependence on government contracts, tough competition, and negative cash flows. Vikran delivers superior profitability compared to its peers, with EBITDA margin of 17.5% versus industry average of 10%. Its ROC of 22.1% and ROE of 16.6% are also higher. In terms of valuation, the IPO is priced at PE of 32.1 times and EV by EBITDA of 16.9 times, which are lower than the peer average of 39 times and 29 times EV by EBITDA, making the pricing reasonable. While the company is smaller in scale, it offers higher growth and better margins. Considering these factors, we recommending subscribe rating to this IPO. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, Apart from this, one or two more news, like the the company like Sri Digvijay Cement, which moved up yesterday in expectations of the Adani taking over this company, has said company has said that they are not under negotiations of any takeover by Adani or sale to Adani. Uh, as such, they had denied the progress and can see some corrections in the price in today's trade. The fair value, if it gets sold off, then could be at around 100 to 110 or 115 rupees. Share price yesterday moved up to 103. So anyhow, the upside from even if it gets sold off will not be very high as compared to what is the current pricing. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, one can initiate a long in gold around 1 lakh 500 and maintain a stop loss of 1 lakh 200. On upside, 1 lakh 1000 are the levels where one can book profits. And in silver, buying on dips is recommended. Though if prices are sustaining below 1 lakh 16,500, then we expect some profit booking till 1 lakh 15,500 to 300 levels, whereby again one can initiate a buy around 1 lakh 15,300 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 14,200. And in metals, copper, one can buy on dips around 882 levels with a stop loss of 877. And on upside, it can test the resistance area at 888 and 892. Wherein zinc, we are expecting prices to test 268 to 70 on upside. So, buying on dips around 267 with a stop loss of 265 is recommended. Crude oil, some the momentum is positive, so buying on dips is recommended. One can initiate a buy around 56.50 with a stop loss of 55.70. On upside, expected to test 57.50 to 57.80 levels. And in natural gas, prices are continuously drifting down. A pullback cannot be denied, but selling on rise is recommended. Selling around 240 with a stop loss of 247, and on downside 230 to 230 225 are the levels where one should book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.